Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello everyone and welcome to Automove India. Right now I am in my friend's house. He is my classmate, my best friend, and we are studying in the same class too. Let me introduce him. Yusuf. So he is Yusuf, my best friend, and right now today I am in his home as today is a holiday and thought to visit him. How is the online class going on?
Yeah, it's nice. How are yours?
It's nice but boring sitting at home.
Yeah, it's my brother.
Oh, nice to meet you. Hi.
Then I hear that you are taking a review of cars.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel called Automove India in which I do car reviews.
Okay, then I have a surprise for you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Great.
Then come, I will show you a car. This is your vehicle.
Wow. And it is a Merc. It is the Mercedes Benz AMG GLE 43 4MATIC Coupe. Now let's review this beast. So Yusuf, would you like to join me for the review?
Yeah, sure.
This is the key of the vehicle and there are mainly three buttons, that is to lock the vehicle, to unlock the vehicle and to open the boot. In the middle is the Mercedes logo. Next we will open the engine bay. And there you go, the engine bay is opened. So Yusuf, do you know all these?
No.
Okay, let me tell you about these. It basically gets hydraulics and this is the insulation. Those vents over there are provided for the suspension. As it is an air suspension, it needs cooling. So this is the beautiful AMG engine. It is an AMG enhanced bi-turbo V6 6-cylinder engine and the displacement is 2996 cc. We will talk more, that is about the power and torque, right? Okay. The max power output is 367 horsepower at 5500 to 6000 rpm and the max torque output is 520 newton meters at 2000 to 4200 rpm. So Yusuf, now you know what is the engine specifications, right?
Yeah.
Now we will close the engine bay and talk about the design. And the engine bay is closed. We will talk about the design. In the windshield, it gets a camera and there are vents placed over here, that is basically for the suspension. It gets an air suspension which I will talk to you when I go to the side. For the cooling, these vents are placed over here. Like the way the engine bay is shaped and Mercedes logo given over here. The headlights, these are Mercedes LED intelligent light system which adapts according to lighting, driving conditions and the weather. Mercedes logo also given over here, like the attention to detail. There is a LED also placed over here. Along with Mercedes Benz written over here, it gets two projectors. AMG written over here in chrome along with the chrome line. Big Mercedes logo given over here. And this is the towing hook along with front parking sensors given over here. And I forgot one thing, that is there is a front camera as well over here. There are two cameras, one over here and one in the windshield. Okay. There are sensors placed in the side as well over here. Towing hook given over here and the skid plate is finished in silver. Now we have finished talking about the front design. We'll move on to the side.
Yeah.
Now we are in the side, so we'll check the tire size.
Yeah, sure.
The tire size is 275 45 R21. These are 21 inches alloy, which really looks rad with black and silver finishing. Mercedes logo given over here. The front it gets Pirelli tires along with body cladding. Over here we get bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. 4MATIC means 4-wheel drive, okay? And the ORVMs are given in black along with side turn indicators, which are LEDs. It opens when you unlock the vehicle, and there is a camera also placed over here along with a projector which projects the Mercedes or the AMG logo at night. We get side footsteps as well, so that we can get in easily. The rear door handle is also finished in black. Now we'll check the rear tire size, right? Okay. So the rear tire size is 315 40 R21. These are really huge tires, and we get body cladding as well over here. The alloys look really rad. I like this very much with Mercedes logo given over here. The back it gets disc as well as the front it gets a disc, and the suspension it is an Airmatic air suspension. So Yusuf, this is a coupe, so we get to see this kind of design that is slanting, and there we get a shark fin antenna, which looks very good as well. Next we'll move on to the back.
Okay.
That is the shark fin antenna which I told you from the side, and it gets a high mount stop lamp. This is the rear defogger. As it is a coupe, the boot is small, unlike the sedans which has long boot, and the tail lamps are all LED unit. And I forgot one thing, that it gets a rear spoiler as well. As I told you, this is a LED tail lamp with Mercedes logo given over here. The attention to detail is very nice, and there is a chrome line which connects both the tail lamps, and Mercedes logo given over here, AMG badging given over here, GLE 43 written over here. And now let me show you a cool thing. Reflectors placed over here. It also gets rear parking sensors. And Yusuf, do you know what is this?
No, I don't know.
It is the rear towing hook. Rear skid plate given over here in chrome. And the exhaust, it is basically a dual exhaust, but they have given it like a quad exhaust. Now we'll hear the exhaust note. Now we'll open the boot. Should be opened from there, and it is really a huge boot. The boot carrying capacity is 650 liters, and if you split the rear seats, we can get 1720 liters. There is also a light placed on both the sides, and in the left side we get a 12-volt charging socket over here, and also two hooks are placed on both the sides. Now we'll check the spare wheel, and it is a smaller tire and also a steel wheel. So Yusuf, now it's time to close the boot.
Okay.
Before that, let me explain what is here. There is a handle to close the boot, but there is no need of the handle, as there is a button to close the boot, and also there are two lights placed over here. Now we'll close the boot.
Okay.
So just press a button, and there you go, it is closed. So Yusuf, now it's time to get inside.
Okay.
We'll go. start off from here. Here we get a hook, and here is the light. Now we'll talk about the door. Here we get a silver finishing, and the door handle is also finished in silver. This is to lock and unlock the vehicle, and the texture is also very good. A tweeter is placed over here. Also an AC vent is placed in the B pillar. There are AC vents placed in the center as well. We'll talk about it later. And the finishing is very good, obviously, as it is a Merc. And power window switch is placed over here. A speaker is also placed in the door along with a bottle holder which can easily accommodate a 1 liter bottle. Now let's check the rear space. Legroom, superb. Scooped out seat backs with magazine holders. Under-thigh support is also very good. Headroom, awesome. No matter it is a coupe, there is no shortage for the headroom. In the center, we get some storage space along with 2 AC vents and the controls. Now let's talk about the seats. Here we get a center armrest with 2 cup holders. We also get a center headrest, which is a great thing. And all the headrests in the vehicle are adjustable. The seats will feel very comfortable and cushiony. So this device over here shows the distance. It is basically for the parking sensors. Now let me show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 43 4MATIC Coupe. Next, let's head on to the front. Joseph, now we are sitting in the front seat of the Merc. I'll explain all the features in the front, okay?
Okay.
Now let me tell you about the steering wheel. It is a sports steering wheel which is finished in black Napa leather. It is a flat bottom unit with Mercedes logo given over here, and these controls over here are for the multi-information display over there in the instrument cluster. And these switches are to attend a call and decline the call. This is for voice command, and these are for the volume. It also gets paddle shifters over here. And the stalk in the left side is for the wiper, whereas the stalk in the right side is for the gear selector. Over here below we can find a stalk which is for the cruise control, and another stalk for the steering. That is, to adjust the steering, it is adjustable in both reach and reek. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. We get 2 dials, one for the speedometer and one for the tachometer. In the tachometer we get the AMG logo and the temperature gauge. In the speedometer we get the fuel gauge. In the dials we get the checkered flag look, that is this over here, as you can see. The center is the multi-information display which can be operated by the buttons in the steering wheel. Above we can see the temperature and the time. And in the MID it's showing which door is open currently. Here we get some lights over here, and this switch is for the panoramic sunroof. These are also the controls for the light. Now we'll open the sunroof. With just one press of a button, the sunblind opens. Should click once more for the sunroof to open. And this is the maximum the sunroof opens. It gives a nice airy feeling inside the cabin. Now we'll close it.
Yeah.
And you should click once more for the sunblind to close. Over here we get a sunglass holder. Now we'll check the co-driver sun visor. Here we get a mirror along with a light. We'll check the driver sun visor. We get a mirror along with a light. The inside ORVM, inside rear view mirror, gets a light underneath it, and it is an auto dimming unit. The upper part of the dashboard is finished in Artico man-made leather, and here we get a nice silver finishing. An AC vent is placed over here. Now we'll open the glove box, and it is a lockable one. It is deep enough and gets a light as well. There are two compartments, one over here and one below. Now we'll close it. In the center console, we get an 8-inch screen, which is not a touch screen. It should be operated by the dial pad, which is placed below. And here we get two AC vents on the either side of the screen, and these are the switch controls to operate it. Below we get the buttons for the screen. This is to turn on and off the screen, and also it gets a CD drive. These switches over here is for the traction control. This is to turn off traction control. This is the hazard light switch. This is for the auto start stop system, and this is to turn off the parking sensors. Below is the air conditioning control. It gets a Climatronic air conditioning control with 3 zones. Automatic climate control as well. Here we get some storage space. Below also we get some storage space. That is, this switch over here is to operate the cup holder, which is a cooled and heated one. You can also close this like this, and here we get a cigarette lighter. This cup holder can be cooled as well as heated by clicking a button, as I told you before. This is the dial pad and the controls for the 8-inch screen, and this switch over here is to increase the ride height. This switch over here is downhill speed regulation, and this is for the auto parking, and this is to switch to manual mode, that is take controls with the paddles. These are the modes, that is it gets 5 modes: individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and snow. We can select according to it while driving. It also gets a center armrest which can be opened. There's space enough deep inside, and there are 2 USB sockets inside. Now let me close it. Now let me show you the features in this screen. Yusuf will operate it for me. Okay. Let us first show the 360-degree parking camera. This is the 360-degree parking camera. We can select the modes as well with the touchpad. Now let's show the power meter, which shows the real time power consumption. There you go. It's showing how much power and torque is consumed in real times, as well as the engine temperature gauge. There are other features as well, vehicle data and engine data as well. Now let me show you the ambient lighting. There are 3 colors for the ambient lighting. In the driver side, we get an AC vent, and these switches, these controls are for the headlight. It gets automatic headlights as well. And this is the engine start stop button. It gets electronic parking brake, which is placed over here. And the pedals are finished in a brushed aluminum finishing. which also looks good. Now we'll talk about the driver door. These controls over here are for the seats, typical Mercedes controls, and it gets 3 memory functions as well. These switches are to lock and unlock the vehicle. The door handle is finished in grey along with a grey finishing given over here, and all the power windows get a one touch up down features. These switches over here are for the outside rear view mirror to control this, and the finishing, it feels very good. This switch over here is to open the boot. It can be opened from here by press and from the key as well, and another feature that is can be opened from the back as well. Speaker placed over here, and the door pockets can hold a 1 liter bottle easily. Below also there is a light which is placed over here, a red light, and here we get a skid plate which is an illuminated one with AMG written over there. So Yusuf, I think I have covered every features and you also understood it, right? I'll tell you more features which I didn't tell it. Okay, the transmission, it is a 9G Tronic system. It is a 9-speed automatic gearbox which can also be used with the help of paddle shifters, and 0 to 100 it goes in 5.7 seconds, which is incredibly fast, and the top speed happens to be 250 kilometers. The suspension, it is an automatic air suspension with self-leveling function. It is called as Airmatic air suspension. So in sport mode or at high speeds, it lowers the car by 15 mm, and in sport plus mode it lowers by 25 mm. Now we'll talk about the safety features. Okay, so it gets ABS, ESP4 ETS or electronic traction system. It is a traction system traction control basically, and adaptive high beam plus, and also a attention assist, which basically detects any sign of drowsiness or anything in the steering behavior, and it automatically warns the driver, and crosswind assist, which basically if the vehicle is leaving one lane, it will automatically pull into this lane, the following lane. So these are the safety features. I hope you understood everything.
Yeah.
Great. The front passenger and the driver seat gets sport seat with upholstery in Artico man-made leather. It feels very comfortable and cushiony. It gets headrests which are adjustable. All the headrests are adjustable as I told you. And to adjust the seat, there are controls in the door. The driver and the co-driver seat gets 4-way lumbar support, which is great. So Yusuf, now I told every features, including the safety features as well, and you have given me a car to review. So now it's time to start the vehicle, and today I am starting the Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 43 4MATIC Coupe, and we are definitely going for a drive once we start the vehicle. And as you all know, we both are under 18 years of age, so we can't drive the vehicle. So we'll start the vehicle right now. And there you go, the beast rose to life. So now we are on the drive in the Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 43 4MATIC Coupe, and the ride quality is very nice. It's very comfortable. And I like the horn in almost all the Mercedes-Benz cars. It's very nice. We'll take a left turn over here so that we can put the vehicle into Sport Plus mode and test it. As the main road, it is full of traffic and we can't test it. Now the vehicle is put in Sport Plus mode, and right now it is the time when you can feel the real punch of the engine. of the GLE 43 4MATIC Coupe. And through humps you cannot feel it much. The ride quality is very nice, as I told you before. And there's a lorry in front of us. We got a chance to overtake it. It picks up pace very easily, as you can see, and it is nothing for the GLE. We had a good drive in the Mercedes, and thank you so much to Yusuf and family for providing me an opportunity to review your car. And as usual, if you like my video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. I'll be back with yet another video real soon.